Hey, what's up YouTube? It is Lauren, aka Nubia420,
and Kaya of WayUpGoodies. How y'all doing?
It's been a while.
It has been a while, but we are back and semi-ready to do these videos, but it's okay. You know, you just gotta kick the dust off a little bit before you get back in there. But yes, so we are bringing to you all just
the easiest way to infuse anything.
Yes. And a way that people have been asking.
This is true, yes.
About this, so we're going to show you. Now we're gonna do this. Do it infuse three different
all at the same
mediums,
time.
basically.
That's how easy it is.
Yeah. And then, so you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get into this.
Oh, you wrote on it.
Yeah, I wrote on them. So that
Okay. So we're gonna do a grapeseed oil, and that's gonna be infused with our White Widow shatter here. Then we have a olive oil, and that's going to be infused with our purple jelly shatter here. And then we have our butter. Our butter is going to get a mystery wax.
We lost the label,
kind of
y'all.
just had laying around.
Oh wait, show me. Okay.
So first things first, we gotta decarb.
So why do we decarb, babe?
Because we're going to activate the THC in acid form into the THC in its psychoactive form. So decarbon extractions it's literally the easiest possible way to come out with an infusion that is, you know, ready and active.
And easy to dose also.
It's very easy to do.
Easier to dose.
And great on flavor and taste as well. So some people, I think you can actually like stick these, because they're glass containers. You can stick these whole glass containers right on here and just pop it in the oven and decarb that way. I don't like to do that. I like to use Pyrex because I could do the entire infusion process right here in this one container. Can't really beat that. Oven on 250.
Yeah.
So this is what we're going to decarb it. We're going to pop it in, and then we're going to watch. Now, experience says this should take about 20 minutes. Obviously, every extraction is different depending on how well it was purged. Some will take longer than 20 minutes. Some will take shorter than 20 minutes. Again, it depends on the quality and how well the extraction was purged. But you're just really looking for the bubbles to stop. Once you have no more bubbles and it's nice and smooth, you're good to go.
Alright.
So now we wait. Alright, it's been about 10-15 minutes, and you can see here lots of bubbles.
Beautiful bubbles.
It smells great.
I'm doing that look for you.
No, thank you. See there, all those bubbles that are just popping. We want those to keep popping. Alright, it's been 25 minutes actually on this stuff. And if you look here, that slowed down a lot. These are slowing down, but we still got some bubbles. So maybe let's do another 5 or so minutes and go from there. Alright, so it's actually been like 35 minutes. We should be ready now.
Yeah.
Let's just say it may not have been the best quality extractions or concentrations, but we're here. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, that is done. That's ready. All right, so obviously these are hot. The best part about the carbon and Pyrex is you could do your whole thing in Pyrex. Down the storage, which, babe, show them how to do it.
Okay. Now we are going to start infusing. Okay, so we have grapeseed oil here, and we're gonna do 1 cup. 1 cup of grapeseed oil. All right, so I'm using grapeseed oil because it has a high cooking point, high smoke point. Cooking point, smoke point, same. Shit, y'all know what I mean. I'm not a chef. I don't know But yes, there we go. So 1 cup and yes. So here we go. And if you're not familiar with grapeseed oil, this can be used in so many things, from baking to topical, so you can make like lotion and shit. Grapeseed oil is good for that. All right, all the drops. And now we're gonna get a little stir going. It's like stuck to the glass, so just gotta loosen it a bit. There we go.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, I mean it's starting to, but we're gonna put it back in the oven. See?
Yeah.
We're gonna do same thing, 1 cup. So here we go. Again, same thing, mix. So same thing, this is 1 cup of butter. This is unsalted, but if you want to be a savage and use salted butter, then whatever. Do whatever your heart's desire. But yes. All right, we gonna do the melt soften. I don't really know how to work this microwave yet, but I'm learning. Now we're gonna stick this back in the oven. Oops, slowly. Couple minutes just to get the oil and butter warm. Put it back in the oven so that the oil and the butter can get homogenized with the wax. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so we had these in the oven for about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna take it out slowly. Oh, look. Much better. Can't see any of the
Crystal clear.
crystal clear. Alright. So that's it.
So that's it. Super easy.
Yeah.
Infusions, you can pretty much do day of, morning of, when you're making it,
Yeah.
whatever you want to make.
Definitely beats flour. I mean, obviously flour gives you those terpenes and all that other, you know,
Yeah, definitely.
full spectrum things we like from flour. But you don't have to strain anything, you know, which we enjoy. So, but yeah, so we have our oils, and you just use these however you would use regular oil in your recipes. And we'll be sharing recipes using our oils. And please let us know any recipes you would like us to try. You know, what you're using your oil with, any questions in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell everybody to like and subscribe us as well. And I guess that's it.
That's it.
All
yeah.
right.
So we'll be using ours tonight for dinner.
Yes.
And
yeah, and that's about it. So as always, thanks for watching.
Peace.
Peace.